Hey guys, we're getting ready to install some Kolay Freelay luxury vinyl flooring. We could put it on the risers on the stairs. We could also use on walls. Very versatile product, very pliable. Today, we're going to be installing it in granite gray. It's got a lot of acoustic value. It's soft. You don't get any, as far as when you're walking and everything, it's a much quieter, more comfortable floor to walk on. Okay, so let's get started. To prep the floor, basically what we do is we come in and pull all the base, scrape anything that's on the floor, pull any nails, took any of the dust or anything off, and try to get it just as clean as possible so we have good adherence. Take your time. Should go down smooth and look beautiful. Okay guys, what we're using here as far as our adhesive around the edges, we're using the Bostitch, the polyurethane sealant, 91.5 FS. You don't want too much glue. You want just enough glue where it'll bite, but if you get too much, it'll move around a lot on you. So you just want to get it to where you can get a good bond between our subsurface and our floor we're putting in. Then I take my notch trowel and I comb it through just on the perimeter. All we're trying to do is lock the floor into place, okay? So turn the trowel up on edge like this, get all the excess. We're using our Freelay product, 5mm, basically just overlaying it. All you gotta do is keep it nice and square. And when we drop this in, notice I put it on where there's no glue. That way we don't have to worry about glue getting all over. Drop it in here, get it snug. There we go, just like that. And just repeat, cut our way in, go right in, it should go fairly quick. Okay guys, we just want to feature also with our riser here, we went ahead and used a piece of Freelay product, 5mm, the black, and then we just used the polyurethane again, the Bostitch to adhere it. Tape it into place. Once it dries, we just pull the tape. Should finish off, look really good. With the Freelay, it's a very versatile product. We can use it as a flooring on the walls, on our toe kicks. It's very common to put on our toe kicks. You can put it pretty much just about anywhere you need to go. Okay guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you learned a little bit more about Kolay's products and how they go as far as an install. If you have any questions, please go to kolayflooring.com.